You painted up your lips and rolled and curled your tinted hair. And Ruby, are you contemplating going out somewhere? The shadow on the wall tells me the sun is going down. Oh, Ruby, don't take your love to town. It wasn't me that started that old crazy Asian war, but I was proud to go and do my patriotic chore. And yes, it's true that I'm not the man I used to be. Oh, Ruby, I still need some company. It's hard to love a man whose legs are bent and paralyzed, and the wants and the needs of a woman your age. Well, Ruby, I realized, and it won't be long, I heard them say, until I'm not around. Oh, Ruby, don't take your love to town. She's leaving now, 'cause I just heard the slamming of the door. The way I know I heard it slam 100 times before. If I could move, I'd get my gun and put her in the ground. Oh, don't take your love to town. Oh, Ruby, for God's sakes, turn around. Ah, Ruby.